Welcome to our comparison of two popular power supply units, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 and the Corsair RM750e 2023. Both of these power supplies offer 80+ gold efficiency and fully modular designs, making them great choices for high-performance PC builds. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed decision. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 offers a robust 850W output, making it suitable for high-performance builds that require more power. In contrast, the Corsair RM750e provides 750W, which is still adequate for most setups, but may limit options for users with multiple high-end components. Therefore, if you're looking for a power supply that can handle more demanding configurations, the Cooler Master might be the better choice. When it comes to warranty, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V2 is backed by a 5-year warranty, which is decent for a power supply. However, the Corsair RM750e takes the lead with a 7-year warranty, providing users with greater peace of mind regarding reliability and longevity. This extended warranty reflects Corsair's confidence in their product's durability. A significant difference between these two power supplies is their compliance with modern standards. The Corsair RM750e is ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compliant, making it suitable for the latest hardware and ensuring compatibility with next-gen components. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 does not support these newer standards, which could be a drawback for users planning to build a future-proof system. In conclusion, both the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 and the Corsair RM750e 2023 are excellent power supplies, each with its strengths. The Cooler Master offers higher wattage and a competitive price, while the Corsair excels in warranty and modern compliance. Depending on your specific needs and future upgrade plans, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.